What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with another video of unboxing Noise X5 Charge headset. It's a Bluetooth headset, truly wireless. So I got this for free and I'll let you know how you too can get this. If you too want to get it for free, you'll have to watch the complete video to know the details. So without further delay, let's go ahead and unbox it and let's have a look at what we get. There we go. We have the box itself and it clearly says Shorts X5 Charge. This is the latest model in the market from Noise, and it also comes with a inbuilt power bank in the charging case itself. Oh, hold on, it's not focusing. Let me try again. Nah, it's not focusing. I'm actually recording this video with my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, but for some reason the camera is not focusing on the box. Anyhow, as I mentioned earlier, this is the latest version, and this one comes with an inbuilt power bank in the charging case itself. That means you can charge your phone as well if the charging case is fully charged to somewhere around 30%. I used it to just check, and my phone was charged from 2% to 29%. Though it takes a lot of time, but yes, it does work. The variant that I have is a hot black variant. It's basically a black colored one, black and gray, and it says Bluetooth in-ear headphones. And this is the Go Noise website address. Nothing pretty much here, just the branding, and we have the specifications over here. Let's crack this up and see the contents. This is actually Bluetooth version 5 and it weighs around 5.3 grams each and a total of 98 grams along with the charging case. We also get a bunch of paperwork, and the charging cable is provided, which is micro USB along with some additional ear tips. Now let's go ahead and check the charging case itself. Oh, it feels so good in hand. The charging case, I mean, it's smooth. You have the branding over there, and this is where your headphones go to charge them. So it's basically magnetic. Let's check the earbuds itself. And okay, they seem not heavy, but they seem a little bulky. I have actually used Samsung Galaxy Buds earlier, those with the touch sensitive buttons, but these are like physical buttons. You can hear the click, and it's actually in pairing mode now. As soon as I just press the button, yep, it's trying to pair up. I haven't really turned on Bluetooth on any of my phones, so I don't think it will be paired to any of those. But yeah, when you see these kind of lights flickering, then it means it's in pairing mode. Let's keep them in the case and see. Okay, these go like this. You actually have an indication on both the ear tips, I mean both the headphones, like which one's left and which one's right. But that doesn't matter in this case. You can charge the earbuds like however you want. You can place them in the left partition or right partition. That doesn't matter at all. And as I told you earlier, this case is so cool and feels so good in hand. So smooth, the texture is good, and yeah, it feels really good. That's the part you have been waiting for. How I got this for free. So I'm using an app called Cred to pay my credit card bills every month, and whenever I pay the credit card bill, I get the equal number of credit coins and I can use them for deals in the app. So it works like this. Suppose your credit card bill is around 1 lakh rupees, and if you use the Cred app to pay the bill, then you get 1 lakh credit coins in your account, and you can use them to buy some deals on the Cred app itself. And this is how I got these Noise X5 charge for free. My bill payments for 1 month were around 7 lakh rupees, and I burned 6 lakh credit coins to buy these. So it was basically free. Cred doesn't charge anything as a service fee or anything. So yep, these were free. And also got this credit card holder that you can stick to your mobile phone case. Like, share and subscribe to the channel, and the link to the app is down in the description below.